Oh God. Hey, what's up YouTube to another The Road with Dutty. This is Dutty right here. But they are Tracks and Records. Apparently both having book signing here. So I'm about to go and check in and hope. Lady, just to interrupt my vlog. Hopefully it's cool. Get me look at autograph and all them something here. I just see.
No, you're not getting no autograph, Dutty Berry. He's just doing signing and you're not gonna get your name in your book.
You're lucky,
so
bad.
Not today.
You're lucky, bad up a one. Mr. Casey just walking. Yeah, the wifey. You see nothing on her hand yet? You see nothing on her hand yet?
I never look so far.
I really look like she get the look of breathing. Oh. Alright. So now with the inside, I wait for to buy the book. And the line is long. I mean very, very long, but I don't know if I can wait so long. Oh, sure. Well going. Well, are you a fan? Are you a fan? Okay, so it's nice to meet you, fan. Big up Mr. Ramiro. You get a book and autograph and all these things too. Wow. Oh, that's my friend. But there, she just buy my book for me.
I guess you want me to put you don't need to join the line, right?
What? No, me I forgot beg skip. Okay. Where's my friend? She said she bought me a book. Ambitious woman.
You should be lucky
Out of her own pocket. She buy me the book. See her there? Because she's a good kind girl. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. No, I broke 200 alone. I have no. I forgot to take bus go. See you in a tree, bud. Alright, so I decide, so at the first time you meet both?
It would be if we got a chance to. I have to go back to work.
Oh, you have to go back to work.
Yes.
Oh, geez,
Well, at 2 o'clock. So
your boss could have give you a, oh shoot, today on Friday. If it's Friday, you could have just cut and go back. Yeah. Alright, so but did you enjoy the fact that you come out and
yes.
So you get to see
Being
no.
good in his presence. Yeah, I have to carry traveling all the way up there.
Oh, okay, alright. Check here, say a box cover for me.
What's that?
Box cover. That's my tagline.
Okay. Box cover.
No man, look at me more like 1, 2, 3.
Box cover.
Alright, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, keep moving fast. But don't complain. Yeah. I'm moving quite fast. Yeah, he's not having conversation.
Alright, so we're still there. I think we can make out bolt right there, so. Somewhere there. I was still laying at the line. Jesus Christ. Some sweet day. Why you can't work out a little link for me so I can skip out all of them people here? Look here, people. Watch it. Watch it. Look at all of that. And money can't give me a little set up a little stuff.
You never ask me.
May I ask you now? Who you know me can just jump in and sneak in? Say Monique not help me out. Not help me out. Here Matalan. So the next time you have promotion, leave out Monique for time. Because Monique could have helped me right now, I'm gonna put in a good work.
2,000 years later.
Oh my gosh, look at the line. I can't even see him good, are you done? Yeah. Wait, I can't see this? I can't see headbutt that, yup.
Can't see who?
Oh wow, the line cut off?
I am the last.
Oh, you're the last. Oh, jeez, no.
You know what? Let's kill it.
No.
You can give me a book and I'll charge you a commission.
No. We have any prayer warrior here?
I'll charge you a commission.
We have the easiest.
Alright, so I'm gonna reach upstairs now. Okay, to the right. Oh, hey, what's up? Hey. Oh, sorry. You look good.
Let's go.
So this is the page, right? Thank you. Finally, hard reach.
Thank you, sir. How are you doing, sir?
I'm there, but good. Big up yourself, Bolt. I should say that, thank you. Bless, yeah.
You took your thingy?
Huh? Oh, I'll take a photo with you when you go up there.
Please do. We'll come
Yeah.
back for an hour. We'll just exchange numbers.
Watch this one, I'm gonna take a picture of her.
Anybody else? Anybody who has had their book signed already needs to come out. Signed already. Signed already. Signed already.
Roy. Roy.
Signed. Where's that?
So apparently that is Tupac's grandmother downstairs. It's like a real big deal. Alright, so this is a girl, Tenuke, who bought my book in the line. And I'm very appreciative.
You better be.
Yes.
Alright, you couldn't walk running up.
And over there says a lady who's running from me. Casey. Casey, show off your outfit. Show off your outfit. So me and her in black because hot people will never one person in black. Did you watch the wedding? Huh? Did you watch the Keisha court?
Yes.
So who? No, I'm trying to find out one thing. Who is Keisha?
A half Jamaican.
She's no, because somebody said that she looked at us and I said, okay, she's Jamaican.
I think she's a fitness guru.
That is it.
So she sells waist trainers. You know, we gotta keep
So
fit.
is she one of the Jamaicans then, but they live here and then migrate, or she just?
I think she left here at 18.
Oh, okay. You know who Keisha is? No. You know who Gucci means?
I know Gucci. Who is Gucci?
Name five Gucci means out.
Man's calling
I have people that's cute tasty. Alright, so Melissa did these lovely, what do I call these? Artwork? Yeah. What they call, okay. So what did you use on them?
Alright, this one is graphite.
Yeah.
Watercolor and pencil crayon.
Yeah.
This is ink and pencil crayon and marker.
Okay. And what's your name and tell people where them can find you?
Alright, check me out on Insta, the Artist Illustrations, Facebook at the Artist Illustrations. Yeah.
Alright, so people check our out here. Casey, I appreciate the artwork. Alright, you can put up in their bedroom or one little section.
This is the first thing, I will frame them.
Yeah. Alright. Thanks. Alright, that's it, peeps. Thanks for watching this The Road with Dutty. We get a look at Usain Bolt signed book. It was good. It was a good look. We're tired. We're hungry.
Food downstairs.
Food downstairs. A free food me I look for, so I'm gonna beg Gary. Oh hey, what's up YouTube? So I'm here with some Spanish friends. Where are you guys from? Wait, how would you say where? Is it cuando y where? ¿Dónde tú eres? Sí. Have you gone to any parties? Oh, yeah. Which parties have you gone to?
In our house.
Oh, you've gone to an Opa?
I know it.
I never know if you had ice cream.
Yeah. Friday, they will have to make some parties.
We went out to the Latin night.
Okay.
We have been to somebody to the university.
We are on campus because we are Spanish teachers.
Oh, university of
Yes.
Oh, I went to you.
We have to go to those parties as well.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
You don't have to teach us how to dance.
I cannot dance. Which dance is it? Is it where there's a shampoo? I think this is pretty.
Yeah. I saw this. I don't know how you do like.
Oh, the fling your shoulder. Yeah. You know, for fling your shoulder.
Yeah.
Hear that? They just know like I ain't doing it again. That's just like the biggest song in Jamaica.
Yeah, you know.
Heard of Kartel? You've heard of Alkaline?
Yeah.
Are you big Usain Bolt fans?
Yeah. We have like had 10K.
Yeah, we've been here since 10.
10:30. Wow.
Yeah, we've been here since some time ago. We're just waiting for it.
And I came here at 1:30. Started at 1 o'clock.
Oh my God.
So what was it like seeing him?
Yeah, that was amazing, honestly. Yeah.
That was so cool.
Yeah.
So tell me something that you learned to say in Jamaica.
Wawan.
Wagwan.
And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up.
Oh wow.
Me now one happy teacher.
So Wagwan's the whole
Thanks.
Okay. I can't remember, I'm trying to remember something in Spanish. So I'm going to say a few sentences that I can't remember. Tengo hambre. Muy bien, gracias. ¿Qué hora es?
I want to do something with you, okay?
Yeah, okay.
So you're going to repeat what we are going to say to you.
Okay.
Okay? Listen carefully.
Okay.
Camarero, desencamarónamelo.
Desenredemdónamelo.
One more time. Listen carefully. Camarero, desencamarónamelo.
Eso camarónamelo.
Desencamarónamelo. Camarero, desencamarónamelo.
Does that sound alright? So I'll be quiet. So my thing now, you're going to say, what the box foot abuan inyaso? What the box foot abuan inyaso?